Swadika, this is Saili and welcome back to my channel. Today I am at a train night market in Bangkok, and here there are a lot of street food and clothes options and amazing food items and also some nightlife. So let us go inside and check what all is there, and I'll take you along and show you the glimpses of that place. So let's go. Now we are entering the Ratchada train night market. It is also called as Rooftop talat ratchada in Thai language. Rooftop means train in Thai language. This place has been in my to-do list for quite some time, and finally I'm getting chance to visit it. There are a lot of stalls here selling from bags, shoes, clothes, accessories, phone accessories, and there are stalls which are specializing in nail art and some salon stalls as well. No market can be complete without food stalls. Here we are at the fried chicken stall, looking delicious. So to start with our day, we've taken some fried chicken, spicy and non-spicy, with cheese sauce and ketchup. So I'm going to start this is like a starter for me. Very yummy. After eating, we decided to explore more, and here are some rooftop restaurants and some pubs where you can chill and have some fun and do pub crawl as well. Now we are here at this stall, and we've taken a stop here to try the seafood bucket. So let's wait for it. So our seafood bucket is here, and we've ordered medium, but still it's huge. So I don't know where to start from, so let me start with corn. It's good. It's a bit spicy, although I've ordered less spicy one, but the sauce is very good. How is it, Ame?
It's very yummy. So much of fish, seafood. It's crazy.
After eating spicy seafood, I was craving for some sweet item. So here I stopped by at this Cold Stone ice cream. I have ordered the vanilla strawberry flavor and let's see how is he making it.
After taking round at this place and eating some seafood, we had taken a cab. So now we are at the restaurant. There are a lot of rooftop restaurants here and some bars around. So we are sitting here at a rooftop restaurant and enjoying the view and waiting for some food. So our food is here. We've ordered tom yum fried rice and sea bass deep fried with garlic. So I will end this video here and enjoy my meal and enjoy the rest of the evening. If you liked my today's video, please, you know what to do, right? Subscribe, share and comment. And again, I will not say, but if you are in Bangkok, please visit this market. It's beautiful and it's a good day, a place to spend your day, evening here. Enjoy lots of variety of food and have fun with your friends and family. So stay safe. See you next time with more such fun videos. Bye.